Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla, and I've had a request from a couple of you wonderful yarning sisters. You wanted to know how to do this stitch in this blanket that I've been showing you, that I've been working on. I haven't done anything more with it for the last week maybe, but I am making this blanket for my own bed. This stitch can also be used to make baby blankets. It's a beautiful, squishy, soft, reversible 3D stitch. And so what you do is you start out with a chain that's in multiples of 4. I do explain that in this tutorial, you'll see in a minute. And make the width you want. Or if you don't want to play by the rules, like I'm not playing by the rules by using pastels for my own bed, you could make your chain the length you want from the top of your bed to the bottom of your bed, and then your stripes will be vertical rather than horizontal. Do what you want, do what's fun, right? All right, so I tell you what yarn I used in the video and the hook size for this, and that's what I do the sample with as well. So I'm gonna show you. I think I've used like, I don't know, 9-10 balls so far, I'm not sure, but I do want to make, let me see, let me show you. It's getting really long. It is really long, but I want to put a border around it as well, so that's going to add some width to it. All right, so this is the stitch. So let's get started. Now, the yarn I'm using for this demonstration and also for my blanket is Premier Sweet Roll Frosty. They're 140 gram cakes, 246 yards in each one. 100% acrylic, they're medium 4 weight, and the colorway, is Sugar Plum. And recommended hook size is 5.5 millimeter, and I decided to go up to a 6 just to make the stitches a little looser. All right, so for this stitch, we're going to make a chain of multiples of 4. So for the sample, I'm going to make 20 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that is a multiple of 4. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a double crochet into the 4th chain. Never count the one on your hook. So this one here will be the first one. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th. Make a double crochet into that 4th chain. And then make another double crochet in that 4th chain. So now counting this first one, we have 3 double crochets. Okay, and then we're going to skip 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, go in the 4th one with a single crochet. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then in that single crochet spot, we are going to put 3 double crochets right into that same chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to skip 3 chains. Okay, 1, 2, 3. and we're going to go in the fourth one with a single crochet. All right, so single crochet. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to put 3 double crochets in that same space, just like we did right here. Okay, 3 double crochets in that same space. Okay, then we're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put a single crochet in that fourth one. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 double crochets right in that same space where we put that single crochet. Okay, 3 double crochets. This is how our work is going to look. Take that out so you can see better. Okay, it's going to look like that. All right, so then we have 4 chains left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to skip those first 3 chains and go into that last one, that fourth one, with a single crochet. Okay, we've made a single crochet in that last chain. And then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And you're going to turn your work into that single crochet that we made right there, that space right there. We're going to put 2 double crochets in there, 2. Okay, 2 double crochets. That first chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so we have 1, 2, 3 double crochets technically. So let's go to our little cluster we made here. We have 3 double crochets. The third one, we're going to put a front post single crochet around it. So put your hook behind that 3rd double crochet there, grab your yarn, pull through, and then just make a single crochet. Okay, then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in this, and you might have to tip your project a little bit and pull up that chain 3 you made from the previous row. We're going to put 3 double crochets into the center of that chain 3. Okay, so 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, here's our next cluster. We're going to jump right over to that 3rd double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3. We're going to make a front post around that 3rd one. Front post single crochet, so you go in behind it with your hook. Grab your yarn, pull your yarn behind it, pull up, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then there's your chain 3 right here from the previous row. Put 3 double crochets right around that chain 3. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Okay, now we're going to the next little cluster. We're going to skip the first 2 double crochets. In that 3rd double crochet, we're going to make that front post single crochet. Put your hook behind. This is called a post. Put your hook behind there. Grab your yarn, pull it under, and then just make a single crochet. And then you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. In that chain 3 from the previous row, put 3 double crochets around that. 1, 2, 3. And now you have these 3 double crochets at the end of this previous row. We're going to go right around that last double crochet with a single crochet. Go right in the space there and make a single crochet. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work around, and then like before, in this first stitch right here, we're going to put 2 double crochets. It's just a 1 row repeat. Okay, so that chain 3 counts as a double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochets. And then we skip these 2 double crochets, go to that third one, put your front post double crochet around it, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then your chain 3 from the previous row, put 3 double crochets around that. Go to your next little cluster here, skip those first 2 double crochets, put your front post double crochet around that third double crochet, and make a front post single crochet, chain 3, and then you have that chain 3 from the previous row, put 3 double crochets around that. And then again, skip those 2 double crochets, put your front post single crochet around the third one, chain 3, and then your chain 3 here, put 3 double crochets around that. And this is all you do. It's quite easy. And then you have those 3 double crochets at the end, skip the first 2, go around that last one there with a single crochet. Okay, isn't that a pretty stitch? It's really 3D looking. It's really pretty and fluffy, squishy, soft. It's great for baby blankets and adult blankets, I may say. So when you get to the end, you chain your 3, 1, 2, 3, you turn your work around, then you put those 2 double crochets in that first space there. So now you have what counts as 3 double crochets. Then you go and you do your front post single crochet around that third double crochet, chain 3, then you chain 3 from the previous row, you put 3 double crochets around that. And so on and so forth. So it's 1 row repeat, which is pretty easy, right? And it is reversible. It looks 3D on both sides. That's the other side. Right. All right, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.